Medium, code ako ng 2. Ito may texture din. Code ng 2, size medium ha. Code 2, medium. Okay, Madam California, yours na. 168, add to cart. Madam California. Ito yung ano, yung blue. Okay, extra small. Extra small, code ng 7. Code 7, extra small, code ng 7. Extra small. Okay, si Madam Bree. Yours na Madam Bree, 168, add to cart. Yung mga natira ba? Madami. Okay, next. Okay, Madam Taiba, fashion, boutique. Yours na. Okay, 168, add to cart. Yung tinabi ko, 128 yun eh. O, next tayo, large. Size, large. Alas, nasa sako na, madam. Large. Size, large. Code ako 5. Nasa sako na, madam, fashion boutique. Code ng 5 size ay large. Ang ganda ng color nito. Wala maglalak. Okay, isa lang. Madam, it's me. It's me, Liz. Lils pala. It's me, Lils. Ay, thank you sa gift, Madam Joanne. Okay, 128 add to cart. Thank you so much. May SSD. 12332. Okay, 168 pesos. Go lang. Okay, next. Sige, madam, wait lang. Size na to, medium. Ubusin ko lang yung nasa table. Size medium, high waist. Okay, medium. Code ako ng 7. Code ng 7, size medium. Ang kapal ng tela na to. Okay, yours na, madam. Ha? Ay! 168 pala to. 168. Okay, next. 7. Ay, parang siyang pa-crochet. Madam, parang pa-crochet. Size small. Okay. Small sister. Parang siyang pa-crochet. Tapos, padded na rin. Code ako 5. Code 5. Code ng 5. Size small. Code 5. Madam, tap yours na. 198. Thank you so much. Add to cart. 198. Next. Size na to sis pang medium. Size medium. Code ako ng 7. Pang medium, code ng 7, madam. Code ng 7, medium. Okay, code ng 7. Next tayo. Si Madam L, yours na. Madam L, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, Madam L. 168. Next, extra small. Extra small, madam. Code ako 4. Maganda to, may tali siya. Code ng 4, code 4 pang extra small. Code 4. Okay, madam, tap yours na. 198, thank you so much. Okay, next tayo mga madam. Okay, fruit salad, pang medium. Size medium, may pa-pendant siya dyan. Size medium, code ako ng 4. Okay, code ng 4 ha. Pasok din siya ng small. Small hanggang med, code ng 4. May pa-pendant pa to, code ng 4. Next. Next. Size na to large, pero carry siya ng medium. Okay, medium hanggang large, code ng 9. Code 9. Very colorful. Code ako ng 9. Next. Okay, si Madam Rose. Yours na, madam. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 168. Madam Large. Size large. Code ng 5. Okay, code ng 5 ha. Size ay large. Code ng 5. Okay, next. Pa-dress pa. Wala na ata, sister. Okay, Madam Leng J, yours na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, Madam Leng J. 168, add to cart. Okay, next ay itong kapal ng tela, sister. Size small, ang kapal ng tela. Size small, code ako ng 3. Okay, 3 ang code 3 ha, pang small. Code ng 3. Okay, small. Madam Aring. Aring Bernadette, yours na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 168. Okay, next. Madam, nasa sako na, madam. Madam Taiba. Okay, large. O, may large version. Size large. O, same lang siya nung blue. Code ako ng 7, pang large. Nakapal yung tela nito, sister. Code ng 7, size large. Okay, code ng 7, size large. Okay, Madam Nana, yours na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 168. Ano daw? Okay, may nakamay na daw, sis. Size na to, small, halter. Small. May pa-short. Code ako ng 8. 9? Oo, 9. Code 8. Code ng 8. Size na to ay small. Okay, meron na siyang halter. Sure na ba to, me? Next. Size na to, madam, ay pang, ano to? Large. Okay, size large. Ang ganda ng garter, oh. Large, code ng 2. 2 ang code 2, size large, code 2. Okay, madam, Thai buyers na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 168. Pa-SS daw na sa kanya. Dan check. Thank you, Madam Tep. Madam, pang medium, pasok ng small. Small hanggang med, self-tie, code ng 1. Code 1. Small hanggang med, code ng 1. At ang Madam, Aring. Madam Aring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 168. Next, size na to XL, extra large. Yun nasa likod sold na, sis, pero 648 siya. Okay, pang XL, code ako ng 2. 2 ang code, 2 pang XL. Thank you, madam.